Hey, Bob and I are at the Coorcaran Opal field. And Bob, why don't you tell us something about this huge field?
Yeah, well, this Coorcaran Opal field was started by the Molyneux. You'll see on our sign here we've got Molyneux Rush somewhere. These are the Molyneux Rush on the top. That's because it was the first field found here on that side. Then Ormy's Lucky's one of the Molyneux. That is another field they found. Then Norway's found by a mob of Norwegians, obviously. Deadbird, as they go on, all these fields have got names. But in this Coorcaran area, which was discovered in 88, through the late end of the 80s and the 90s, this is the biggest producing area that Lightning Ridge has seen since the 20s. The 70s wasn't too bad, but this field here virtually brought black opal back to the world, and there was a huge production of opal. There'd be 60 or 70 of these different little fields. There's half a dozen of those Kellys that make up this Coorcaran area, which is over virtually over two grazing properties of approximately 70,000 to 100,000 acres that takes in the whole of the field. Lots of field, lots of very, very good opal. Probably the very top line wasn't as good as the town opal, but still a very, very good and very, very important field. There's still a lot of opal left out in these fields. We've had a look at some rehabilitation in these fields in stages 1, 2 and 3, but a lot of these places there's the second level, either the second level hasn't been worked or they've gone to the second level, the first level hasn't been worked. There is still a lot of opal left here on these Coorcaran fields.
A lot of opal yet to find, and it'll be found.
A lot of opal yet to be found yet, yeah. There's actually a little field over here, that Ormy's Luck, which was the second field found here in 1988. 1 kilometre from there is the latest field that's been found, and that was only 3 months ago.
Great.
And there's been miners over that, there's been drillers over that, it's been 9-inch drilled, it's been 3-foot drilled. They've all missed it, and we're back there mining it again now. This is one of the reasons why we just cannot have a sunset clause in the open field. There's no such thing as a sunset clause.
We have a great future here in this field.
This field has still got a big future.
Thank you.